Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to teach you how you can save your site projects as templates in Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to dashboard and also to workspace on Webflow, and you will need to access your site project settings. To do that, click into all sites here, select a given site and click into these three dots, choose settings. Here in your site settings, click into general, and then guys, here you will need to scroll down. And then at the bottom here under shared workspace template, you will see your selected workspace. The given site has been saved to. And then you can click into make template. Give the site template a name. Click into confirm, and that is going to save the site as a template within the given workspace. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.